Thinking of starting a dairy business, but confused between cow farming and buffalo farming? One option gives easy management, the other gives higher milk price. So which one is actually more profitable? Watch till the end to find out. Let's start with investment cost. Cow farming requires moderate investment. A good cow costs around 30,000 to 80,000 rupees. Buffaloes are costlier, ranging from 40,000 to 1 lakh rupees, mainly due to higher milk fat and demand. Shed cost is similar for both, but buffaloes need extra water facilities. Now, let's talk about space and water requirement. Cows need less space and can be managed easily in limited areas. Buffaloes require more space and regular water access for wallowing, making them suitable for regions with good water availability. Coming to feeding cost. Buffaloes consume more feed, especially during hot summer months. Cows are more efficient in converting feed into milk, which helps reduce daily feeding expenses. Next is maintenance and labor. Cows are generally easy to manage and more resistant to common diseases. Buffaloes need regular bathing and wallowing, which increases labor, water usage, and overall effort. Now, let's look at reproduction rate. Cows usually give 1 calf every year, helping faster herd expansion. Buffaloes give 1 calf every 1.5 years, so growth is slightly slower. What about market demand? Both cow milk and buffalo milk have strong demand. But buffalo milk gets a higher price because of its higher fat content, especially for curd, butter, and ghee. So, which one is more profitable? If you want higher milk price and profit margins, buffalo farming is the better choice. But if you prefer low maintenance, faster reproduction, and steady income, cow farming is more suitable. We hope this video helps you make the right decision for your dairy farming journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for honest and practical farming guidance. See you in the next video.